What's going on, guys, and welcome back to the Hammer Dance YouTube channel. It's happened, guys. I'm pretty sure this is it right here. YouTube has solved small creator growth on the platform. I'm gonna go grab a coffee real quick and let's dive into it. So we have a bunch of things to talk about here, guys. YouTube has been working really hard and it's paying off because the changes that they're implementing to the platform for creators of all sizes, small, medium, large, whatever size creator you are, they have done something for you. And the first thing that I want to go over here is the changes to the channel page's homepage. Todd B, the product lead for YouTube's homepage, has been tweeting a lot lately, and it's all good stuff. So the first thing I want to talk to you guys about, I'm going to bring up my channel here to show you guys how cool this is. What they've done is they have separated long form videos, live stream content, and shorts on YouTube channel homepages. And what I mean by that is this. Let's take a look at my channel right here. So I'm sure you guys can see, I'm sharing my screen right here. What they've done is they've separated long form videos, which you can see right here, shorts, and live stream content. Each of these types of content now have their own page. This is huge because it separates all the content. So what a lot of people have been doing for the past year is they have their normal channel, like let's say I have my channel here, and then they've been creating a second YouTube channel to do shorts because they were unsure whether shorts would hurt their channel's performance, because the way it was before is that you would upload your regular videos, you'd do a live stream. That live stream is now dropped into the mix of your long form videos. Same with shorts. You would have your long form videos and then you would upload your shorts and they'd be kind of in the mix. So when you would look at your uploads tab, it would look really weird. I mean, you'd have like regular videos with nice thumbnails, long form content. Then you'd have like a weird live stream right here that was 3 hours long. And then you'd have all these like little shorts with no thumbnails. So people had to like create thumbnails for them, even though it was completely pointless. What this has done is made it extremely useful to utilize all forms of content on one channel. So now if you are a small, medium, or large creator, it doesn't really matter. What you should be doing is creating your long form content, creating shorts, because shorts have crazy amounts of discoverability. And then you could also do your live streams on here as well. It's all separated and it looks great. This change is a game changer, in my opinion. This is huge, and so many people are going to benefit from this, and you should start using it right now if you haven't. Start creating shorts, start doing live streams on YouTube, all of this alongside of your long form content. Another massive thing that Todd B has tweeted is that shorts are going to become monetized. This is awesome. This means that shorts creators, or even people who aren't shorts creators who want to get into creating shorts, this is now going to be another avenue for revenue. This is huge. Shorts being monetized on the platform is going to be massive. So make sure you guys start taking advantage of shorts. I cannot stress this enough. I made a short about this the other day saying, hey guys, if you haven't yet, you need to start creating shorts because this is going to blow up. I have a feeling that next year is going to be a very big year for YouTube, and a lot of small creators are going to start blowing up because of shorts. Alongside of that, the other day they announced that you can now edit shorts within the app directly, adding music or anything you want, just like TikTok. So that's a huge plus too. That's something that people were using their PCs to edit shorts for. They couldn't do it directly in the app. Now you can. So make sure you get on that. It is a huge upgrade. And last, guys, but certainly not least on this long list of YouTube updates is that YouTube Shorts are coming to your TV. That is amazing. Do you realize how many more people are going to be exposed to YouTube Shorts? There has been a countless amount of times where I was sitting on the couch at nighttime, couldn't sleep, and I just wish that I could scroll through TikToks or Shorts on my TV instead of just holding my phone. Maybe my phone was about to die, whatever it may be. The fact that YouTube Shorts are going to be visible on your TV and you can scroll through with your TV remote is massive. This means that an entire new audience is going to be exposed to shorts. And shorts, by the way, have the highest amount of discoverability on the platform already, right? So now imagine taking that and then sending it to double, if not triple, quadruple the amount of people. Being able to sit on your couch at night and scroll through shorts or do whatever just to have fun, I mean, that is massive. So the point of this video really is I wanted to give you guys an update on all of the things that YouTube has been doing. They have been working really hard, and I am pleased with all of these updates. And you guys, my audience, all of you follow me because you want stream advice, you want creator advice, you want tech advice, all of that kind of stuff. And I feel like this is something that is so important, and I need to make sure you guys understand it. Like, this is a big time for all creators, like I said, of all sizes. If you're just starting, now is a great time to start. Utilize shorts to boost the discoverability of your channel, but make sure you create long form content as well if that's your thing. This is a great time to start. This is a great time to get discovered. This is a great time for YouTube in general. So anyways, guys, that's my update for today. I just wanted to share that with you guys. So if you enjoyed this video, hit that like button. Consider subscribing to the channel and turning on post notifications so you don't miss the next time I post a video. And if you want to hang out with me, I do stream on Twitch at twitch.tv/hammerdance Monday through Friday, 8 p.m. Eastern time. But anyways, guys, that's all from me. I want you to keep those hammers up, and I'll see you next time.